DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a junk mail journal. And we're doing it with the help of our friends at Gel Press. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's use up some of that junk mail. I love Americana acrylic neons. They're my favorite paints right now. Make sure to check out gelpress.com. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2 and I will see you next week. Bye.